I'm Menno Schellenberg. I'm the farm manager at the Monte Creek Ranch, and my responsibilities encompass basically everything that happens on the land here, from the vineyard, both on the home property here and on the Lionhead Ranch. The unique aspects here is the combination of the cattle operation with the grapes. That's fairly unique in BC. We also have bees on the property, and so we're able to offer quite a wide range of different agricultural processes here on the ranch. That's a real point of interest to me, being able to utilize different aspects of the land base here. I just love the fact that we can make the ranch ever more productive. There's so much potential here in terms of the climate we have and the irrigation water that the South Thompson River gives us. It allows us to do so many things here. We've taken basically a hayfield and turned it into a vineyard, and a very healthy and vigorously growing vineyard. So we're very proud of that. We raise Black Angus cattle on the ranch here. And the reason we chose Black Angus is that they're a hardy breed of cattle, native to Scotland, where they have extreme weather conditions, so they can withstand the heat, they can withstand the cold.
We believe in low impact farming, and we practice organic methods. Grass-fed beef contains less fat, fewer calories per ounce, and as much as 5 times as much omega-3 fatty acids. Grass-fed beef is also known to have more micronutrients and antioxidants than other beef.
They also offer some benefits in terms of good weight gain and ease of calving, which makes handling them easier for us. So they're nice, fairly gentle and productive and easy to work with breed of cattle. Thompson Rivers University is a great asset in the community here, and they do have a meat cutting program, and we are utilizing that to get our meat cut that we're using to sell in the winery as beef jerky. The Monte Creek Ranch is between 900 and 1,000 acres, and over half of it is a wooded hillside that we use for grazing cattle. The valley bottom part here is about 300 acres, and about 200 acres of that is irrigated. So on that we can grow grapes or forages for the cattle. And I'm just excited for the future as to exploring those different options and adding to what we grow and produce here at the Monte Creek Ranch.